So there's one question that you can ask to grow any sort of business. And I've asked this question in every single one of my own businesses and every one of my clients that I've ever helped grow their business. And it's this one. As a prospect, why would I do business with you instead of your competitor or instead of not doing anything at all? The question gets to the heart of your unique selling proposition. And 99% of business owners that I've ever asked this question could not answer it in a concise, specific, measurable, unique way. So operating word here is unique selling proposition, because almost everyone gives me a similar answer. Some people say we're the best, we're local, we treat our customers with respect, we're friendly, we're nice, we've been doing this for a long time, we're really good at our jobs. All these answers are pretty much standard, but they're not unique. Your competitor can say the exact same thing, and for me as a prospect, there's no way to verify. Like, you can say you're the best, but the next guy can say he's the best as well. Now what? So a unique selling proposition solves this issue for you, and it's worth taking the time and doing the digging and developing a USP so that you can stand out from all the competition and get that business, get that money.